Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain CA Foundation Accounting June 2024 and September 2024 question paper analysis along with the high priority chapters to be prepared for January 2025 exams students. So what is the meaning of high priority chapters? Nothing but by preparing less number of chapters in less number of hours, and we try to score minimum qualifying marks. That is the concept of high priority chapters. Now, without wasting much time, we enter into the video. First, look at June 2024 and September 2024 question paper analysis students. First, June 2024. As usual, we know first question we get 6 true or false statements and one theory question and one problem, or again one theory question, whatever it may be. Now, first observe June 2024, and this is the first exam for new scheme of education for CS students. Yes or no? Observe carefully. So by leaving first question, now look at second question. Second question we got rectification of errors problem and depreciation students, 12 marks and 18 marks. Now observe September 2024 question paper, second question, BRS and bills of exchange. BRS and bills of exchange. But observe the same rectification problem and depreciation problem they have given here once again. 5B. 5B depreciation at the same time. 1C rectification of errors. They have just changed the place, but from both concepts, rectification and depreciation, they have asked a question. Next, 3A and 3B questions. Observe students. 3A NPO September 24 NPO question is asked in 4B. Observe students. 12 marks, 10 marks. And 3B dissolution of partnership form. Same 3B, they have asked admission of partner in September 2024. That means 3B is fixed for based on 2 attempts for partnership accounts problem. Next, 4A, they have asked admission of a partner. September 24, they have asked in the same place retirement of a partner. Observe students, based on the 2 attempts, 3B and 4A is fixed for partnership accounts. Observe carefully students. After that observe incomplete records problem. June 2024 they have asked incomplete records, 4B NPO here. September 2024 they have asked a question from final accounts of sole proprietorship. Observe students. Now compare 3A and 3B. 3A and 3B put together, NPO final accounts of sole proprietor, incomplete records, at the same time NPO again. Means they are asking NPO final accounts of sole proprietor, incomplete records. Out of these 3 questions, they are asking 2 lengthy questions for 10 marks or 12 marks, whatever it may be. See, 12 plus 8, 20, and here final accounts 10, NPO 10, 20 marks. And one more thing, observe in third question and fourth question, they are asking questions from partnership accounts for 20 marks, students, 20 marks. So 3A and 3B, the third question and fourth question are unavoidable. These are very, very important questions, students. Qualify CA Foundation, third question and fourth question will decide whether you get qualify in CA Foundation level or not. Observe carefully. Next, fifth question. In fifth question, they are giving internal choice also. Yes or no, students? Observe. 5A, inventory valuation, and September also inventory valuation. 5B, final accounts of manufacturing concern, 5 marks. And here they have asked incomplete records. Observe students. Means by looking this question paper, we can bundle first category NPO final accounts of sole proprietor and incomplete records. From these three chapters, they are asking 20 marks in 3A and 4B, third question and fourth question, and 5 marks in fifth question, means 25 marks. Plus, they are asking a question in true or false statements also. Look at final accounts and see the color coding, students. See the color coding, observe. So, put together from these three chapters, they are asking 27 marks approximately. 27 marks approximately. Yes or no, students? At the same time, from partnership also, they are asking almost 22 marks from each attempt. So, here itself you get 49 marks. 49 marks. Next step. Next, 5B BRS. BRS, they have asked for 5 marks, and the same BRS problem have been asked in September 2024 attempt for 10 marks. See the color codings. I have given color codings, students. Try to understand. Color codings you observe. Next one, 5C. 5C and 6A. 5C and 6A both together is fixed for company accounts, students. 5C and 6A is fixed for company accounts. Observe, from company accounts they are asking 15 marks question in 6A and 10 marks question in 5C. So 25 marks here from company accounts. 25 marks. Understood? And 6B, at last they are asking a theory question. By looking this question paper, we can observe that in June 2024, 16 marks have been asked from rectification of errors chapter, and 27 marks from NPO, final accounts and incomplete records, 25 marks from company accounts, at the same time 22 marks from partnership account. Yes or no, students? Next one, September 24, 12 marks from valuation of inventory, 27 marks from NPO, final accounts and incomplete records, 25 marks from company accounts, at the same time 27 marks from partnership accounts. And surprisingly, they have asked 12 marks from bills of exchange. Observe the trend here. Observe the trend here. See, 27 marks from NPO, final accounts, incomplete records, 25 marks from company accounts, 22 marks from partnership accounts. Apart from this, they are asking some 12 to 14 marks from one chapter alone. June 2024, rectification of errors. September 2024, valuation of inventory and bills of exchange. Yes or no, students? Yes. So this is the hidden trend in the question paper of ICAI. Now observe, based on this analysis, here I am suggesting to the students that which chapters you have to prepare first, and from these chapters you get guaranteed questions. Guaranteed question. Yes or no, students? Yes. Now observe one by one. First, we are bundling first three chapters, NPO, final accounts, and incomplete records. From these chapters, you get damn sure 27 marks. And for studying these three questions, you have to spend minimum to minimum 8 plus 8, 16 plus 6, 24 hours. 24 hours for these three chapters, students. Yes or no? Next one, BRS guarantee question. So it takes a minimum to minimum 5 hours and you can score easily 10 marks. Next, rectification of errors. So it takes 5 hours to revise the concepts quickly and you can score 10 marks. Next, valuation of inventory. Why I am suggesting these chapters means, if you observe from BRS, they are giving continuous question, rectification of errors also, at the same time valuation of inventories also. Next one, depreciation and amortization, 5 marks. Sorry, 5 hours you need minimum and you get easily 5 marks. Surprisingly, you may get a 10 marks question also the next attempt for January 2025. And next and most important chapter is partnership accounts. Here you get any option between partnership accounts and company accounts, students. Both requires a minimum of 15 hours study. You can score from partnership minimum to minimum 20 to 20 or 20 to 22 marks. Okay. And company accounts, sir, I will prepare company accounts, sir. Instead of partnership accounts, I will take company accounts, sir, so that I can score 25 marks, sir. Yes, you can. But company accounts, we don't know which type of problem they ask. Because company accounts consist of various units separately. And partnership also consists of various units separately. But observe here, they are giving 3B, 4A. 3B, 4A they are giving. Either admission, retirement, death or dissolution. In the previous two attempts, they have given admission, retirement, dissolution. This time we are expecting dissolution and death students. Dissolution and death. See, what is the advantage of these partnership accounts? In case of admission, retirement, death, almost the adjustments are similar except one or two. And dissolution, we have two concepts: normal dissolution and insolvency dissolution. Apart from that, piecemeal distribution. And that too, preparation of company accounts consist of writing journal entries, and partnership consists of maximum to maximum preparation of accounts students. Yes or no, students? So, these high priority chapters we are suggesting. Total you need minimum to minimum 56 hours, 56 to 60 hours. With this less number of preparation, deep revision we need, students. Deep revision, quick revision, because we have less time. And you can score 77 marks. That means you can attempt for 77 to 80 marks. 77 to 80 marks. You perfectly attempt 77 to 80 marks. Even you can score. Minimum qualifying marks are 40. So 50 marks. So if you want to get 50 percentage, 50 marks, even you can score 60 plus also. Why, sir? Because accounting is such a paper, such a scoring paper. Why? Because stepwise marking they allot. They allot stepwise marking. Yes or no, students? Yes. So this is our strategy for the next January 2025 attempt student. We meet once again in the next video. Till then, bye bye everyone.